Hello everybody, welcome to this part. Today we are going to work out the next part of this fraction. We're simplifying this fraction. Change each of this mixed number to improper fraction. How we can change. To change here we have 8. We divide 8 to 3, then we convert to mixed fraction first. We have 8 divided by 3. 2 times of 3 is 6. We subtract here 8 minus 6, remain only 2. Then we write this 2 as a whole number, and then we draw a fraction line to bring to the numerator, and 3 we write as denominator. Now we convert this improper fraction to mixed fraction. The same we can write this fraction to improper. We divide 13 divided by 4. So we take 3 times of 4 is 12. We subtract here 13 minus 12, remain only 1. We write here 3 as a whole number and 1 over 4 as a mixed fraction. The same we work out the next question number 13. We divide 17 by 5. Now to divide, we take 3 times of 5 is 15. Here we subtract 5 minus 2, remain only 2. 1 minus 1 is 0. So we write here 3 as a whole number and 2 is as a numerator, 5 is as a denominator. So we convert to we convert to mixed fraction. We take question number 14, also the same or similar. We divide 19 divided by 7. And so we take 2 times of 7 is 14. We subtract 9 minus 4, remain only 5. The answer is, here we write 2 as a whole number and 5 is as a numerator, 7 as a denominator. This part finished. We come to next part. And next part said that change each of these to an improper fraction. How we convert to improper fraction? We write here equal to, we multiply the whole number with, we multiply the whole number by numerator and add with denominator like this. First multiply and then we add. Here we write as in the numerator 2 multiplied by 3 plus 1, and denominator we write as itself with nothing change, just only write 3 here. So the answer is 2 times of 3 is 6 plus 1 over 3. The answer is 7. 6 plus 1 7 over 3. This is the answer. We come to question number 16. The same, first we multiply 3 by 5 and add with numerator with 3. Write in numerator, we write here 3 times of 5 is 15 plus 3 over 5. And now we add this two number, 15 plus 3 become 18. 18 over 5. So that's the final answer. We come to question number 17. The same here. First we multiply 1 times of 6 is 6 plus 5 over 6. Then we add two number. 6 plus 5 gives us 11. We write here 11 over 6. This is the final answer. And question number 18. Right here 5 multiplied by 7. 5 times of 7 is 35 plus 6 over 7. Then we add this number, 35 plus 6, 41 over 7. This is the final answer. We come to some word problem that depends to the fraction. Here question number 19. In question number 19 said that write 18 minutes as a fraction of an hour in its simplest form. How we can write this one? You know that the fraction has two parts, one numerator and one denominator. For example, a over b. First, the a is actually 18 minutes. Right here 18 minutes. And of an hour we write as a denominator here an hour. So to simplify this one, the unit must be the same or similar. We write here 18 minutes, and denominator, you know that 1 hour is equal to 60 minutes. So instead of an hour, we write here 60 minutes. Now we can simplify here minute directly by minute. We can cancel, and 18 over 60, but it's not the simplest form. We should simplify. We simplify, it's divisible by 6. 3 times of 6 is 18. 2 times of 1 times of 6 is 6, and also 1 and 0. So the answer is 3 over 10. We come to question number 20. Question number 20 said Greg's buy a ring for $500 US. He sells it for $750 US. Write the selling price as a fraction of the cost price in its simplest form. How we can write here? Said that write the selling price as a fraction of the cost price. If we have a fraction a over b, actually a is the selling price, and b is actually the cost price, or the cost. Here we can see only. So Greg's buy a ring for $500 US. Actually $500 is cost. We write here $500. He sells it for $750 US. Actually this is the selling price. We write in the numerator here $750 US. Now we can simplify. We can the US dollar sign together, and here also 0 by 0 just remains 75 over 50. So now we can write also 75 over 50. It's divisible by 25. 3 times of 25 is 75. 2 times of 25 is 50. So then final, the simplest form is 3 of 2 over 2. This question number 20. Thank you for watching. Please like my video and subscribe my channel.